Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Acer Nitro 5 freezing when gaming, playing gaming वगैरह वगैरह. Okay. So guys, first click to start, disable CPU turbo boot and type PowerShell. Right click to run as administrator. Click to yes. Enter this command. Okay. Power CF and this is, and then hit enter. So you're accepted, and then close it. Next guys, update your GPU driver. So click to start, type device manager, open it. Then if you have a graphic card or non, it means Intel or Nvidia, so just extract the monitor and extract display adapter. Okay, so right click and update driver and update driver. Okay, and same monitor also. So sometime if you are getting in the issue most of the display, so in this graphic, so you have to download the manually. Okay, and then close it. And then next method, click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this four command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type the manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that try next command, so it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth, so one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.